NVIDIA's earnings are coming up. That's a big deal. That's going to move the economy. That's going to move the whole market. That's going to move the whole market because JP Morgan, sorry, not, sorry, NVIDIA has just become this bellwether for how the world is doing. It's really it's a major leader in the stock market. It's a major leader in the tech space. It's a major leader in AI. And in fact, it's also impacted by global frictions and issues, right? Security issues and everything else, right? The trade negotiations, all that stuff. So when Nvidia announces their earnings, you're gonna get rocked. It's gonna rock you, especially if you own any of the tech stocks, because right now they're just watching the signals. So, for example, and I got to keep reading up on it. I typically take in a lot of financial information. I had to slow down a little bit because I was doing the All Black National Convention this weekend. But basically, from what I've seen, Elon Musk is recruiting a lot of AI experts away from Facebook, whereas Facebook was originally poaching from other places, but Facebook actually slowed down their hiring. And even in the AI space, even with AI experts. And also, there was a study from MIT that said that a lot of these companies that are using AI haven't yet figured out how to use it to make more money. That's a concern that makes them wonder if the investment was actually worth it or if they overinvested. So if Nvidia stock comes up short and they don't meet their earnings numbers, it could be kind of a bloodbath, not just for Nvidia, but for the whole market. Now, if you want to know how I'm going to react to the bloodbath, I'm going to stick to my original thesis. I'm going to look at it. I'm going to say, oh, look at that. NVIDIA stock is 10% off. Let me go buy some more right now while it's cheap. That's how I'm going to look at it because I believe long term, 5 years, 10 years, not 3 months, not 2 weeks, 5 years, 10 years, that NVIDIA and stocks like NVIDIA are going to do well. I also own Intel because now Trump and his crew bought a stake in Intel, and I believe that they're just going to be, they're probably somewhat corrupt, but their corruption is leading them to take massive stakes in the economy and to sort of do de facto nationalizations of different industries. I don't know if you agree with it or not. I just look at what's happening, and that's just what it is. Right now, the market expects NVIDIA's earnings to surprise on the positive side. The futures are higher Tuesday night as investors turn their eyes to NVIDIA earnings, which can be a make or break moment for the bull market. I'm reading it here on CNBC. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 29 points. In the after hours trading, MongoDB popped almost 30% after the developer data platform topped Wall Street's expectations. Okay, so that's not okay. Wall Street has high hopes for Nvidia, which has the biggest weight in the S&P 500 and is considered to be a bellwether in the broader market and a major indicator of AI development.